Hey, hello guys, I would like to show you today Light Soundbox 1.0 set up with Litecoin L3++. So I'm 6 feet away. Let's check the noise level. So it's around 52, 53, 54. Let's check the noise level on the box. 65. Check inside the box on the inner lid. 84. And the miner itself. Trouble. Looks like 90. Then again, 79 now. Get a 66-ish. And let's get it 6 feet away. 52, 53. So I'll test, I'm gonna heat scan a miner. Professional FLIR. So you're getting 35 Celsius at exhaust. There's exhaust for a PSU 39. PSU outside, it's full, 27. So there's your PSU and the miner. Hashing boards, 45 Celsius. So if I'm standing six feet away, and let's check the sound level. It's like 62 with the open box, open lid, and close everything. You will get 52, 53. It's pretty quiet. So this is my setup. Light sound box. There's your intake between two lids. It's exhaust. And a hole for power cable and internet. You can also plug it in. Lower the noise. Get some sponge or something. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.